guys, it's Lane Morgan here. This video is a little different. We're going to show you the differences between a trailer and a van. Why most people are choosing to go with a trailer today when you're talking about mobile pet grooming. But some of the pros of going with a trailer are, one, the amount of space you've got inside there to work, move around, and stack dogs in there. She's working out of a van. She's about to transition to a trailer and she is so excited. But there's a lot of pros and cons. If her van breaks down, she's told me horror stories about when her van broke down and she'd be out of work for a month or two because there's the closest person that can work on it 7 hours away. Also, in our trailers, you are capable of having an instant hot water heater that runs off propane. You hear her generator running right now. It's running off of gas. It's an Renown diesel generator. There's hardly nobody available to work on them. You've got to be a Cummins certified mechanic to work on that generator. And then to get to it, you have to tear the van apart. All of our stuff is so easy to access, which Jake will show you in this video. But we're gonna open the door and let you see inside. It's very small in there compared to a trailer. Look, there's Coast, guys. But you see the difference between the amount of space you have in a trailer compared to a van. They're getting it done now. But how tall is it in here? Probably 6.5 foot?
6.5.
Yeah, so that's what I figured. I'm gonna step in here with y'all. Hey, Coast, what you doing, buddy? Yeah, so see, guys, the amount of space to the roof, 6.5 foot. Ours, you get an extra foot of height, and then you can actually stick about 10 people in our trailer. You can't do that in this van, but Emily, nice to meet you. I heard you're helping. She's gonna need a lot of help. She's about to grow her business. I'm believing it. I'm excited for Emily. But yep, y'all, that's Coast. But this is, so some of the pros and cons we talked about is, one, being able to access the generator is very tough in a van. Emily, do you know how many gallons of water your tank holds? 50 gallons of water. So ours actually holds 75 gallons of water. And you will need it. You heard her. You need the extra water, guys. So during the day, she has to find somewhere to fill up and get more water. All of my customers, when I started doing this, it was a learning curve. A lot of them said, Lane, 45 gallons of water is not enough. We need a bigger tank. So what did we do? We found a bigger tank. And we go with 75 gallons, and we've got people that run trailers 12 hours a day, and it gets them through the day. 45 or 50 gallons of water, you're gonna have to fill up before the day's over with. If you've got a booming business and got a lot of dogs. You know, when you buy a trailer from me, I don't want you to call me back until you need another trailer. And that's what a lot of these mobile groomers are doing. They're scaling their business, they're growing their business, they're buying multiple trailers. They're training people like Emily's doing today. She's got a new worker in there named Emily. She's teaching her how to do all this stuff. I love my dogs. This ain't cheap, but it's convenient. People will pay you 3 times as much. I'm doing it right now for her to come to my house and wash my 3 dogs. If I took them to a brick and mortar building, I could get all of my dogs done for about $100. I'm gonna give her $300 today to wash my 3 dogs because it's convenient. I'm at work, she comes to my house. We're pretty close now. I told her gave her a key, go inside, grab the dogs, wash them all up, and give them a treat when you leave. She does a phenomenal job, Emily, and that's one thing about all the groomers that I've sold to. They're all such sweet people that are passionate about what they do, and they've got me passionate about what they do. I don't get this excited talking about a concession trailer. If you're interested in a grooming trailer, give us a call. 888-287-3954. You can find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. Right now, we are getting busy. This is the busy season. So if you want one, call, put your deposit down, get your sales rep to quote you on a trailer. You can check out our entry-level trailer, our Genesis model. We are doing some specials on those, but they retail at $22,499. We do have a Valentine's Day special. If you get a pink or a purple one, all you girls love purple and pink, If you get a pink or a purple Genesis model, you can get it for $19,999. And guys, it's only for the units I have built on the ground. And I think we had 7 left after yesterday. We sold 4 already, and we've been doing it for 3 days, so they won't last long. If you want a pink or purple one for $19.99, you can get our Genesis model. That's our entry level. All the other colors are $22,499. If you want our Legacy Rolls Royce model is what I call it. Fully, completely turnkey, instant hot water heater. Everything you need, you just start making money immediately. Those start out at $38,750, I believe, $38,750. And guys, right now I'm about 10 weeks out on those. Tax season's coming around. If you get your taxes back and you need a trailer, give us a call, reserve your spot, because our backlogs are just gonna keep getting further and further out. They've been hammering me with orders, and that's a good problem to have. I'm not complaining, but people are really ordering these, and we are staying busy making sure we get everybody's trailer built in time. If we give you a date, we will hit that date. We take pride in that. And guys, this is an amazing industry, like I said, that you can create your own schedule, be your own boss. Like Emily said, even go on vacation and pull your trailer with you to the beach and work a couple of days, pay for your whole vacation. But guys, if you're in the need of a trailer, you can give us a call, 888-287-3954. You can find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. We have an amazing warranty. Like I said, this is a big investment. It's a nationwide warranty. We don't have many issues, but if we do, you're welcome to call. I will give you a list of some of our customers that's bought and grooming trailers. Anybody you want to call. Miss Amanda Gomez, she had an issue with her trailer. Guess what? We went to Baytown, Texas, picked it up, brought it back, and a driver is leaving with it next Tuesday. We had our trailer back to her within a week. Guys, nobody else is doing that, I promise you. A lot of people have a right blinker warranty. You hit that right blinker and leave, they forget you existed. I like to sleep well at night, so I make sure I take care of my customers. And sometimes it costs me money, but I know at the end of the day, I'm doing the next right thing. So guys, I look forward to the opportunity of earning your business next. I hope you have an amazing year in 2026. I think God is doing a lot of great things. And if you got any questions, I've got 12 amazing sales reps that do a phenomenal job. They're eager to catch your call, and we look forward to earning your business next, guys. Y'all remember, stay humble, hustle hard. Y'all know the rest. Until then, y'all be blessed.